I recently purchased the Dae Room hair kit, and that includes their Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 styling cream, and it also includes their Monsoon Moisture shampoo and conditioner. Today I wanted to test out the styling cream because I've been so interested in like that clean girl look where you slick back your hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in today's video. I'm gonna be trying to attempt to do that slick back look in like a bun or a ponytail. My hair does look like a mess right now. It definitely needs a shampoo. It's a little bit on the oily side, which I feel like is a good time to test this out because this is gonna give your hair kind of that slick back oily look anyway. So I'm hoping that's okay that my hair is already kind of oily. Also, I totally don't really know what I'm doing. I've never done this before, so bear with me, but I'm gonna be testing it out. And if you're curious in how this styling cream works, hopefully this video can kind of give you a glimpse of how you can test this out and how you can use this. So you are supposed to be able to use this for a variety of things. It doesn't just have to be that slick back look. It's a 3-in-1 multitasker that adds polish and shine while hydrating botanicals, moisturize hair, and tame frizz. This retails for $28, and this is clean at Sephora. It's supposed to be good for all hair types. It is curl enhancing, good for frizz. It's also made without sulfates, SLS, and SLES. It's supposed to help with increasing shine. So basically this is a 3-in-1 multitasking styling cream infused with the desert-derived extracts that adds polish and shine while hydrating botanicals, moisturize, and tame frizz for touchable soft hair. It says apply a small amount to damp or dry hair and style as desired. If you want a smooth styled hair, you can use a small amount to damp hair and let air dry, or to dry hair as sleek style finisher. To prep shiny blowouts, work in a small amount mid to ends before blow drying. To define natural curls, apply to wet or dry curls. So it says just use a small amount, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start off by brushing my hair out, make sure that there's not knots. So I've got my hair all brushed, and I'm just gonna be doing like a bun, I think, so let me get a little closer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the product onto my hands. I don't know if I need more than that, but it says to apply a small amount, so that's what I'm gonna take at first. And I'm just gonna apply it right here where I'm gonna be doing the most slick back. I might need to add more later, but we're gonna start off with that. Oh, also, this smells so good. Wow, that smells really, really nice, but in a way where it's not like overpowering. I also got this edge brush to help with just really smoothing back the hair and styling it. I don't know if I should start with that or use my regular brush. I guess I'll try to use this. Or maybe, I feel like this is what I'm gonna do last minute, is use this, because I think I need my regular one. And I definitely need to apply a little bit to these sides too here. As you can probably tell, I'm just a newbie to this. Kinda don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, I don't even know if I needed to buy that extra brush. Honestly, I almost feel like this does not help. I feel like this is kind of, yeah, not helpful. Okay, so there it is. It's looking slicked back. I might want to add a little bit more, but I'm gonna just put it in a ponytail now. Oh, see, I always get that issue where then it starts like bunching. I don't really know if there's much I can do to prevent that. Yeah, okay, and then there's like some flyaways here, so I'm definitely gonna want to add like a little bit to tame that. We're just gonna go for a bun right now. Got the bun in, nothing fancy. I don't know how to do a fancy bun. I should probably learn that. So then I also have like all these like flyaways here at the back. So I am going to add a little bit of the styling cream there too, and then just brush it up. So that way it's looking slick in the back as well. Just taking a little bit more of the styling cream and adding it to any areas where I still see little bits of flyaways. All right, so there we are. Obviously, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this perfectly. I feel like, I don't know if I'm one of those girls that can really achieve this look, but I'm doing my best here. All right, well, I feel like this is the best that I can do. Definitely does help with achieving that slick back look. I'm definitely still a beginner with using this, but I still definitely think I was able to get that like slick back look. Definitely helps with taming flyaways and just gives more of a slick look to your hairstyle. You could also do this with like a ponytail or whatever. I don't know if I like how I look with it, but I wanted to try it out. I think The bun is not looking the best, but put it in a bun again. Again, not flattering. I need some tips on how to do an actually flattering bun. Like, I have a lot of hair, but I don't know how to make it actually look flattering because I feel like that looks kind of dumb. Give me some tips because I feel like it's not looking that great. I mean, it definitely looks slicked back. It definitely helps with some flyaways, and this styling cream smells amazing. So if y'all have any tips for a nicer looking bun or any tips for slicking back your hair, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are interested in checking out this styling cream, I will have it listed and linked in the description box below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you are new here and are not currently subscribed and you would like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.